I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change Jeep Grand Cherokee windshield wipers. First, gather your new wiper blades, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. Make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition completely off. Then, gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into position. This prepares the arm for the next step, making the process smooth and easy. Now let's remove the old blade. Look closely at the wiper blade connector where it meets the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab firmly and then slide the old blade downwards, away from the wiper arm hook. Once detached, carefully remove the blade. Remember to hold onto the wiper arm firmly to prevent it from snapping back and potentially damaging your windshield. Safety first. With the old blade off, it's time for the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firm. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the windshield, ensuring it rests properly. You're almost done. Simply repeat these steps for the other wiper blade on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. Once both new blades are installed, turn on your vehicle and test them using your windshield washer fluid. This ensures they operate smoothly and clear your view effectively. Remember to inspect your wiper blades regularly, replacing them every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.